keeps avoiding me. Sorrow in my soul, cause it seems that wrong. He really loves my company. He's more than a man, and this is more than love. The reason that the sky is blue